Good morning traders, Tamar here, FXGlobe Ambassador, with your morning bell for Wednesday the 25th of January. And today started with CPI numbers both from New Zealand and from Australia. Now in New Zealand we got a slightly higher than expected reading of 7.2% for the year, while the market was expecting a 7.1. However, Australia surprised the market with its reading. So in Australia, the expectation was for a 7.6% yearly reading for CPI, and it actually came out at a 32 years high of 8.4%. So we saw some sharp reaction to this news on the Aussie dollar. We even saw the Aussie versus the US just within a reach of this level of 0.71. So moving on to Europe, and after the CPI excitement out of Australia and New Zealand, we have in Europe German business expectation and business climate index, and from France we have the job seeker total, and from UK PPI input and output. Moving on to the US, and we have crude oil inventories and 5-year note action. Now the big action today, the big news is reserved for Canada, and that is the Bank of Canada interest rate decision. So the market is expecting a slower pace of increase and a slower rate rise or rate hike of 0.25% today. That is going to bring the rates to 4.5%. So we're also going to be seeing a press conference from the Bank of Canada, and that will be very important for traders and investors just to get a bit of clues of what's to come, and is this the end of the cycle? Are we going to see some more? And what the Bank of Canada is thinking of the current state of inflation. So if the news are going to be bearish for the Canadian dollar, I'll be keeping an eye, very close eye on EuroCAD there. And if the news are going to be more bullish for the Canadian dollar, or the market would perceive it to be, then I'll be looking at dollar CAD over there. Happy trading everyone, have a wonderful trading day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.